We've had a look at the home page and the module screen. So what we need to do now is we need to understand how we're going to add content to our Blackboard module. Previously in Blackboard 8 you could go in via the control panel into learning resources, and that would give you access to your add item menu. In Blackboard 9 it's slightly different. What we do is we go into learning resources, and then looking up at the top right of the page we turn our edit mode on. Now we can see that it's given us access to three menus. Those are build content, where we can add items, files, multimedia files. We can add Blackboard specific and SCORM content. We can add folders, blank pages, module pages and tools areas. And in our mashup section we can add Flickr photographs, slide shares, YouTubes, Scholar and Scholar bookmark. Now the things that you're most likely to use here would be, in the first instance, YouTube, SlideShare, Flickr, folders, items, audio, images, videos and external links. So let's see how we do that. So if I click on, let's add a folder first of all, add a content folder. Now as you can see I've got week 1, 2 and 3 already there. So now I'm going to add week 4. And you can of course add detail to the folder. If it adds communication value, then you should add something here that indicates what's inside the folder. And we don't need to do anything else at this stage. We're just going to submit that. And there's our week 4 folder in our learning resources area. So if I go into the week 4 folder, and bearing in mind my edit mode is still on, I want to build content now, so I'm going to add an item to my folder. And if I just call it item 1, now I'm going to browse my computer for an item to install. Now I have a Word document on my desktop. I'm going to open up that document and I'm going to submit it. And there you can see I've now added a document to the folder in learning resources, and we can see that from the breadcrumbs trail. We can see that we're in the skill boosters train module, we're in the learning resources area, we're in week 4, and there's our document. Now I'm just going to turn my edit mode off, and if I go to learning resources I can see weeks 1 through 4. If I go into the week 4 folder I can see that my file is there. So that's how you add a file to a Blackboard module. Thanks for listening, and we'll be doing more on content in more screencasts. Thanks very much. Bye now.